Amy, show your teeth. Let's see your teeth. Listen, look here. There's those teeth. Whoa, really hard to see you when you're jumping like that. It's very hard to see you. Hey, buddy, can you show those teeth a little bit better? Come here. Come on. Just laugh. Oh, bless you. Bless you. Oh, we can see those teeth now. We can see those teeth now. Wow, you're making me dizzy now, Gibson. You're making Mama dizzy. Oh, hold it there. Hold it there. Hold it there. Gibson. Oh, all right. Maybe we'll just let you bounce, huh? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Say hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandma Cyril. Say hello. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Lulu. Gibson, did I say Lulu? Huh? Oh boy, oh buddy, oh boy.